In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Monday.com with Servicenow. We'll go through this step by step so that you can ensure seamless integration between these two powerful platforms. This integration helps you automate workflows and improve efficiency by linking your project management and IT service management. First, you'll need to navigate to the Monday homepage. Simply open your web browser and log into your Monday.com account. Once you're logged in, you're going to look for the sample board on your homepage. This is a demonstration board that you can use for various setup purposes. Go ahead and click on that. With the sample board open, look towards the top of the page where you'll see the option labeled Automate. Clicking on this will lead you to automation options available within Monday.com. This is an important area, as it allows you to set up automatic actions and integrations for your boards. Now, in the automation area, you'll want to focus on integrating with Servicenow. Start by typing Servicenow into the search bar. This will help you narrow down your options and find the precise integration tools you're going to need. Once you've typed in Servicenow, you'll be prompted with various search results which might be a bit overwhelming. To streamline this, you should look for an option saying Explore our Marketplace. Clicking here will lead you to Monday.com's App Marketplace, a hub filled with different third-party applications and services that can be integrated with your Monday boards. In the Marketplace, use the search bar and type once again Servicenow. This is a crucial step as it will bring up the specific applications you're looking to integrate with. The integration capabilities are vast, so make sure you choose the correct app. From the search results, pay special attention to the one labeled App by AppServe.ai, a division of Empira. Click on this option. It's the connector specifically designed to bridge Monday.com with Servicenow. You'll notice that it is a reliable tool created by experts in the field. Finally, you're going to click on Install App. This action will kickstart the installation process of the connector, effectively setting up the link between your Monday.com account and Servicenow. Follow any additional prompts to complete installation. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up a connection between Monday.com and Servicenow. This integration empowers your organization to automate tasks, sync data across platforms, and ultimately save valuable time and resources. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.